The word something, to refer to an unspecified thing, something strange, something important, something new. I heard something strange outside last night. She wants to tell you something important. Let's try something new for dinner tonight, to indicate a certain degree or extent. Something like, something of, something close to. It looked something like a bird, but I'm not sure. He's something of an expert in the field. The repairs will cost something close to $500. To express a positive impression, something special, something amazing, quite, something. This gift is something special, thank you. Her performance was something amazing to watch. The view from the top of the mountain is quite something. To soften or vague a statement, or something, maybe something, possibly something. Let's go for a walk or something. Maybe we should order pizza or something easy. I think she left a message or something on your desk. To refer to a significant but unknown cause. Something went wrong, something's off, something's missing. Something went wrong with the machine. I can't explain it, but something's off about his story. Something's missing, but I can't figure out what it is.